Hello, good morning. So we wake up early because we plan to go to Nusa Dua, where we lost our drone. Because we check in our flight log that the drone is stuck in the tree. So we're hoping to see if we can find the drone in the tree. I hope we can, or else we just say sorry.
So we came here to look for the drone, and I'm already angry with Archie. Actually, we're trying to look here, and then Archie suspects that the drone fell over there. Over there. He's looking, he even go down on the cliff, and then I'm angry talking that we cannot already find the drone. And then I'm here walking, angry with Archie. And suddenly I saw the drone here. See, this is our drone. So I pick up the drone, and then we found out that the battery is not here.
That's why we lost signal.
Yeah. And then we keep on looking. We use again this magic stick. I keep on looking at the grass, and then yes, the battery is here. Wow, this is our lucky day. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I honestly, I thought honestly it's over there. It's over there. It's why I surprised. It's so easy. Why we cannot find yesterday?
I don't know. You see, luckily
so easy. It's just here.
Luckily, I keep walking and talking, and scolding to Archie.
Yeah.
That's why we are so happy that we found the drone. Papa, please next time be careful.
Yes, for sure. I think this has to be replaced.
Yeah.
I see deformation here.
Yes. Look at the propeller, it bent.
So this is the damage of the propeller. So now we have to replace the new one. It's actually pretty easy, just unscrew. Need to hold a bit. Yeah, done. Very easy. And then this is the screw. This is a spoiled, broken propeller. You can see the damage here. This part. It may affect aerodynamics really. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now we need to make a test flight.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!